Hi kids, I'm going to break this. It is Smashers from Zuru. It's an eyeball. Boing boing. Okay, I'm going to smash it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go in slow motion. See that? That's the Smashers smash. You get emoys. Sweet squeak. It is rat wrinkle. So I'm going to show you how to build it back in the fast race. Where's the back? I found it. Okay. This is the piece. Put it at the bottom. Stick it. Yeah, I got some hairs in my mouth. Don't worry about that. Then you put it back right here. And where's that piece? Hold on, let me find it. Oh, found it. This left eye. Dun, 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 dun. That's my sister singing. Okay, here we go. Oh, this piece is falling. Okay, trying to put this with the task. I already start that. Put rat wrinkle. Hey, where's rat wrinkle? Hey, rat wrinkle, where are you? Are you ordering some pizza? Oh, you are. Okay, back to building. I'm gonna build it and put rat wrinkle in it with a pizza. He just ordered a pizza. Okay, here we go. Put in. Put some pizza. Ooh, I wish I can have some pizza, but it's miniature size. Okay, put it back together. Let me fix this. The pieces falling apart. It's not fair. Just away. Hold on, let me get this. Ow. Dang it. Let me put this back where it belongs. Get in there. Get in there. Don't break anything. Yes, I just put it back. Hi, Rat Wrinkle. Don't mind putting back to you. So, okay, I'm going to put this. This is the last piece. Okay. Let me put it out, actually. Got it. Okay. Gonna show you how to build rat wrinkle. It's a hard one. This is the hard way, rat wrinkle. This is the easy way or the hard way. No. Dang it. Okay. Oh, got it. Go remove this tape. Yeah. I'm gonna spin it. Whoa. It's the disco party. Oh, wait. Eyeball. Yeah. Thank you for watching this episode, and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell button and hit the thumbs up and click subscribe.